Hello everyone, myself Joseph Akin, Assistant Professor Assam Downtown University. So we are going to discuss about that is indicator electrodes. These indicator electrodes are involved in potentiometry. So potentiometry is the field of electroanalytical chemistry in which the potential is measured under the condition of no current flow or a zero current flow, so as not to disturb the equilibrium at the sample membrane interface. The measured potential can be used to determine the analytical quantity of interest and generally the concentration of some component of the analyte solution. A typical cell for potentiometric analysis can be represented as a reference electrode, salt breeze, analyte solution, indicator electrode. Reference electrode you can see indicates the ERF, salt breeze, and indicator electrode is EIMD. So to perform a potentiometry we need some electrodes, and that is reference electrodes we need, an indicator electrode and potential measuring device. So in reference electrode we have hydrogen electrode, then silver chloride electrode and calomel electrode. After that we have indicator electrode. In indicator electrode we have this metallic electrode, and after that we have glass electrode. In glass electrode again we have two types of glass electrode. So after that we need a potential measuring device. So this is the potentiometric method where reference electrode is there, the part of the cell that is held constant where we dip the reference electrode, and the part of the cell that contains the solution we are interested in measuring. There we add this dip this indicating electrode, that means indicator electrode. You can see here this cell of potentiometric measurement. A complete cell consists of an indicating electrode that respond to the analyte and reference electrode of fixed potential, and the potential difference between the two is measured. So these two potentiometer, this is the here you can see two inlet to the potentiometer, and the bottom of the right you can see the indicator electrode, and left side you can see this reference electrode. Then this indicator electrodes, actually this indicator electrode is an electrode system having a potential that varies in known way with variations in the concentration of an analyte. So mainly already I have told this, mainly we have two types of indicator electrode. One is metal electrode and another one is ion selective electrode, that is glass electrodes. Yes, metal electrodes is develop an electric potential in response to a redox reaction at the metal surface, and this ion selective electrodes, that is selectivity bind one type of ion to a membrane to generate an this electric potential. So here you can see the metallic indicator electrode. This electrode of the first kind, an electrode of this type is a metal in contact with a solution containing its cation. The most common one is a silver electrode, dipping in the solution of AgNO3, silver, then copper electrode, then zinc electrode. Reactions I have given. And electrode of the second kind is electrode of this kind is metal wire that coated with one of its salts precipitate, and a common example is silver electrode and AgCl as its salt precipitate. And redox electrode, it is an inert metal, is in contact with a solution containing the soluble oxidized and reduced forms of redox Hall reaction, and inert material is usually is platinum. Thank you.